Then you make a 1024 one. Then you start drawing the details. You can use this pencil tool. Because you don't need to turn it, just use the pencil tool. For example, it's square here. You can slightly process this crack. So this is faster than carving. If you carve, you still need to carve this detail. Just fill the middle with black. This is the part we're looking at. For example, you just draw it like this. Pay attention to its staggered arrangement. I'll simplify it, fill it in black here. Note that it's closed, it must be closed. Draw quickly. Here's another big square brick. Then you replace this texture with your texture. Okay, so how do you handle the edge? You can pan it. I'll process it simply first. Then this edge, we have an offset here. I'll merge it first, there's an offset here. Other displacements. This is 512 because your current image is 1024x10245512. Then just close this here. Close this and fix it. The most important thing is to make it closed. Because if it's not closed, there will be problems. He calculated it, there's a problem, isn't that right? This is actually drawn pretty fast, right? About 10 minutes. How long does it take you to carve one? Carving takes at least 1 or 2 hours. At least, then control the edge. I won't demonstrate this in detail, then import this. Then replace the node. You might still have to fix it, make it better. Let's make it closed first. Let's try it first, okay? Then we'll offset it. Actually, this offset doesn't have to be exactly half of it. Later, when you fix it, it doesn't have to be exactly half. The main thing is to close it. Okay. Then we'll export this. There are still some unclosed parts here. Let's do this. Store it in that snack thing. Then here, use link in this import. Or use import. Import means importing this file into your project. Link just means it's a link. If the image's location changes, the link will be broken. Then convert this to grayscale. Let's soften it a bit. Soften it, then add some contrast. Just as long as it's closed. Then we'll connect it directly here. That's it. If there are any problems here, you'll need to fix it. This part is illogical. For example, you need to fix this. That's still not closed. As long as it's closed, you can fix it better later. Then re-import here. I'll try using link. Okay, that's good now. The basic principle is this. Then you do the differentiation, you make some changes to the graphic. Like beveling, because we didn't do much beveling. This is the thinner wall. And you should process this brick here. Maybe you can make the edge a little thinner. Yes, this is different from the default one. Okay.